Mushrooms can be the base and a garnish of a dish. And in this case, that beautiful morel mushroom stock that I steeped earlier is gonna be the perfect base for my mushroom risotto. Those beautiful morels, look at them, nice and plump. By putting them in the stock, we hydrated them. They got the stock flavor, and now they have the same texture as a fresh morel. And it even gives off that woody, piney smell that they have if they're picked right from the forest. Just gorgeous. So adding to the base of that risotto, we want some aromatics. We want just some onion and garlic. Basically want to be able to see through the onions and garlic. We add our rice. Oh, beautiful truffles, so sweet, so earthy. I'm gonna save that for later. So you can use a variety of rice, but you want to have short grain or super fino. You can use arborio, carnaroli. You want to make sure that it's a nice, starchy rice, because that's going to add to that beautiful creaminess of the risotto. Coating the rice with the butter. There's a tale that there was a blind Italian chef who could cook risotto just by listening to it. You can almost hear it start to pop like you would a popcorn. Start to hear it a bit. There it is. And the second sound, the wine getting absorbed. So I really want that flavor to intensify. After the wine is absorbed, this is what you're looking for. And it's ready for some stock, the main component of a creamy risotto. So 1 or 2 ladles at a time. I want those little pieces of rice to absorb the stock. So patience is key. I want that stock to completely disappear. And after a couple ladles, this is what you're left with. There's a little bit of texture in it still. I'm just missing my favorite part, and that's cheese. And for risotto, Parmesan. Knob of butter. Fold in at the end too. Now, with beautiful morels. And morels come in the spring. And so do peas. I like adding peas in my risotto. This adds a nice little crunchy freshness. Right. Look at that creamy, creamy risotto. It's a little extra cheese. You can see the rice just grab it. A little extra freshness. Now my favorite part, it smells awesome. What a great day in the kitchen. You guys want to try this?